हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल इडुओटिक। इस वीडियो में हम स्लेट एनी जो है स्टेट लेवल एलिजिबिलिटी टेस्ट असम इन एनी रीजन उसका पेपर 1 जनरल पेपर का कुछ हम PYQ प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस डिस्कशन करेंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। The first question is the main objective of teaching is. So the options are scoring high marks in the examination, completing the syllabus thoroughly, helping to get suitable placement, and creating lifelong learners. So scoring high marks, completing the syllabus, and suitable placement, it can be only objective. यही only objective नहीं हो सकता है teaching का. So actually the main objective is to create lifelong learners. So here is the thing. So teaching is imparting knowledge, for imparting knowledge and wisdom, and so that it helps students for creating lifelong learners. फ्रॉम टीचिंग व्हेन ए टीचर टीच अस, जब शिक्षक हमें कुछ सिखाएगा वहाँ से हमें इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगा, वो फॉर अननोन फैक्ट्स, उससे हम कुछ टेक्निकल थिंग्स ये सीखने को मिलेगा. सो बट the main objective of all this, combining all this, is to create lifelong learners actually. So you mind it, see the options carefully, and you try to understand the meaning within it. So the next question is NMEICT stands for, it stands for National Mission on Educational through ICT. So you try to remember that term, as well as what is the purpose and what is it acts, what ये जो मिशन है ये क्या करता है, इसका काम क्या है, एंड देन हाँ पर्पस क्या है. सो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के ये जो मिशन है उसका मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव, मेन पर्पस है टू लिवरेज द पोटेंशियल ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन एंड कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी टू मेक द बेस्ट क्वालिटी कंटेंट सो दैट इट विल बी एसेसिबल इन फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट और अक्रॉस द कंट्री. मतलब ये पर्पस यही है कि good qualities of content, like quality content, they will provide in India, across India, which is free of cost. वो लोग quality content provide करेगा in different aspects, different topic पर different category में, वो भी free of cost. So there are several problems, many problems under this mission. So these are Swayam. One is Swayam. So the full form of Swayam is study waves of active learning for young aspiring minds, which is an integrated platform for offering online courses. So if you are in 9th to 12 and till postgraduate level, there are many contents available in Swayam. You can go for the contents also, like if you are studying here from 9 to postgraduate level, you can be you will be benefited from the contents. There are free contents available, and this term and these all terms are very important for SLET. This is one question who came in previous year question also, and in many years in previous years in some of the questions in options, this term will you see, these terms are frequently they used to put in options. So you should know the terms, the purpose, and the objective of that missions and the programs in detail. So Swayam is one of them, and you should know the full form. And then Swayam Prabha is also it is also came in SLET 2024. So you should know the all missions, so that as it came, so this time maybe different type of questions related to it may come. So question may be different, so you should know in detail. So Swayam Prabha also, it is an initiative to provide 32 high quality educational channels through DTH of direct to home. If you are watching TV, then you can have, and you can avail this facility. You can get many contents in there is free channel. It is available in 27 into 4. So another is National Digital Library of India, which is NDL. So a full form of NDL may become, and the purpose of it, the act of it. So a project to develop a framework of virtual repository learning resources. So you will get digital resources, so you can avail this facility also with a single window search facility. There will be a single window search facility. You search and you will get the content related to what you need, like that. So the available content you will get, you can search for it. So there is spoken tutorial is one of them. So they used to provide 10-minute long audio video tutorial for different languages, spoken language, so that you can learn like spoken English, and 22 languages it is available. So for different types of language, if you learn how to speak, so you can go for this tutorial classes where 10-minute long video is available. And another is free and open source software for education. The short form is FOSSEE, so you should know this, which is a project promoting the use of open source software in educational institution. And the another is virtual lab is one of them, which is also a project fully interactive simulation environment um, to develop a fully interactive simulation environment to perform experiments, collect data, and answer questions to access understanding uh, the knowledge you require. So it is a project to develop an interactive simulation, interactive session, so that you can uh, get knowledge, you can exchange knowledge. And yantra is, this is specially designed for engineering colleges in India, so you can avail according to you, and you should know this all term in detail. So the next question is virtual memory means, this is means an illusion of extremely large memory. So it means it will it acts like appear, it is appear like the virtual memory refers that something which appears to be present, but it is actually not, it is virtual, means you know it is not real, but it is present. So it will allow you to use more memory than the real memory of that program. So it is the illusion of it is an illusion to the user, so that they will have main memory equal to the capacity of secondary storage media. So this is the meaning. And then another question is, on completion of 1 year of NEP 2020, in 2020 government has announced that uh, engineering colleges will be available in 6 more regional languages. So which of the following is the correct one? So the correct one is Bengali. So you should know that all 5 languages actually. So the 5 languages which they allowed it is Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Marathi, and Bengali. So they in 14 engineering colleges they impart the technical education in 5 regional languages. So you should know this data also, 14 engineering language. And in which language, here the correct answer will be Bengali, but in another question they may ask you about the other languages and in how many engineering colleges. So this all should you should know, so you note it down. So the next one is an mathematical problem. So here if you see, if you divide all the terms by 2, like the previous term you divide by 2, then you will get the next one. So 1 by 8, if you divide it by 2, then you will get 1 by 16. But 1 by 16 is not directly here, so 1 by 16 you will get from the second option, like you try from the first question option. So with 1 from 1 by 3 there is no chance of getting 1 by 16. So if you divide this by 3 then you will get the smaller value 1 by 16. So this will be the correct answer. If you need more explanation, please comment below. I will try to give in next video. So the Taj Mahal is affected, the Taj Mahal is threatened due to the effect of which chemical? So due to the effect of sulfur dioxide. So what is the chemical reaction and how it happens? Actually you should know, this is related to acid rain. So for that you should know what is acid rain. Acid rain is a form of rain which is where the pollution is responsible for the acid rain. When in a area there will be industries and all, then that industry used to release fossil fuels where sulfur and nitrogen used to present in the form of oxide. Sulfur and nitrogen is नाइट्रोजन वहाँ पे होता है, वो जो पोल्यूटेंट वो रिलीज करेगा पोल्यूशन के वजह से, जो इंडस्ट्री वो एरिया में, वो क्या होगा, एयर में, एटमॉस्फेयर में रहेगा, एंड देन व्हेन इट विल रेन, देन दिस ऑक्साइड्स विल रिएक्ट विद द water particles, water molecules, and they will form acid like sulfuric acid. So when this rain, and in the form of rain, the sulfuric acid will fall in earth, then uh, it is called acid rain. And due to that acid rain, when it fall on the surface of marble, it affected, they affected the Taj Mahal. So acid rain used to happen when there will be no rain for so long, and the area will be so polluted, then acid rain used to happen. And it's not a acid rain is not like it used to happen frequently, but very rarely it used to happen. So it is due to the mainly, and the main cause is pollution. So there is one another problem related to statistics. So for they gave 4 students, and their marks in 4 papers out of 100. So we need to find the average in between 60 to 65. So how to get the average? To get the average, we need to add the data they given, and we need to divide it by how many is present there. So 4 papers, so you divide the marks of the 4 papers, and divided by 4. If it's 5, then divided by 5. So we get the averages for all the students xyz, uh, yeah, xyzw. So how we get, we added these marks of the papers and divided by 4. So the average 60.25 is in between 60 to 65. So the correct answer will be w, the student w. So there is one another question: which of the following is not part of geological disaster? So the sea surge will be the answer. So what is geological disaster? It is like natural disaster, we can say. So it is occurred due to natural processes of earth, like earthquakes, landslides, tsunami, sinkholes, volcanoes, etc. So sea surge is actually when storm used to happen in sea, then the sea level used to be so high, and then that sea surge forms. So you can go in details about sea surge. So this is not a geological disaster. And the next one question is the standard error in statistical measure. What is a standard error? Standard error is actually the difference between the sample mean and the population mean. The sample which we will take and the actual population mean, the difference, how far it is deviates, like the difference in between the statistical data and the actual data. So this is the standard error. This is the picture for standard error, and this is the formula of that's sigma is standard deviation. You need to find the standard deviation. If you divide by root over n the number of sample, then you will get the standard error. So this is the formula you can use. Another question related to this may come. So may you ask, if you need any detail on that, you can comment. I will explain in next video. So this is the last question. The popular operating system used in mobile phones is, you all know, it is Android. But here I mention the other operating systems also, types of computer operating system. One is Apple's iOS. So it is also a popular operating systems this is for smartphone. And this Microsoft, since 1985, it is a very common uh, operating system for laptops. And Mac OS is also a operating system for Apple's laptops and desktops. And Linux is also a computer operating system, which is like Unix, built under the development and distribution model of free and open source. So you should know, like this, the option correct answer is Android, but you should know the other terms also, so that if some question will come related to this, you can attend. So please note down this all. Thank you for watching this video till end. Hope you like this video, and you can share this type of videos to your friends who are preparing for SLET. And hope you like this video, and if you get it informative and like benefited. So you can like, comment, and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. And if you have any suggestion, and if you need anything more on that video, and if I did any mistake, please do mention in the comment. Thank you so much for